Alright, yo, boom, bye, bye, boom, bye, bye. Alright, watch you now. Now that one I kind of special, because my artist drop a song. Now, if you don't know Aidonia, I'm not gonna say he's not consistent, but Aidonia is not the type of person who just release music for release music. Aidonia very strategical when it comes to releasing music, and I think that's one of the things that I kind of idolize when it comes to Aidonia music. Now, Aidonia have a song called iCloud. No, based off references of the title, you might think it's a weed song, but however, I am going to listen to the song with you guys and let you guys follow along. So, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, because over here, so I get an honest review. And everybody knows I'm a JOP fan. See, I not even know if you don't know what JOP mean, but anyway, I don't know I'm a fourth Jenna. You see me? Because from I don't know about what? 2005, 2006, I don't know I'm an artist. You see me? From now till then. From now till then. Yes! So anyway, I could jump in a review quick and fast and just start it there. So, watch it now. I don't know iCloud.
Dallas, can't walk across past supers. Boy, face their shooter. Blicky for me belly in my car, but me drive road. Gunshot there, so you know, say me can't waste me 45 rounds. Blind and squeeze on you for your high, bro. Much not laugh when him a spray. It a spray like a one pin a pyro. Big yeah, full.
Pull up the man, bro. Pull up. Yo, just hear how the man just a flow, melody and style and flow and all that. Just hear how the man I saw the man vibe so upon everything. You see me? Come again.
Dallas, can't walk across past supers. Boy, face their shooter. Blicky for me belly in my car, but me drive road. Gunshot there, so you know, say me can't waste me 45 rounds. Pint and squeeze on you for your high, bro. Much not laugh when him a spray. It a spray like a one pin a pyro. Big yeah, full of rifle. Keep them safe like my iCloud. We no test gun up in a sky cloud. Tough talk and a badness, no afraid and no boy mode. Them a muggle when we take money by gun, them take money by clothes. The war now done till your eye close. 12 midnight, so me kill a them dog. Kill boy all in a them yard. Link fella one rifle where him a send cross. Half gun broom from Bin Laden park. Pussy they soft. Wait can a night time in a bed pan pillar them talk. The place at the scene of them still a make war. You know when they be my against star.
Yo! I'm gonna kill this mommy artist. Don't just relax no man. Take out yo.
Dallas, can't walk across past supers.
For sure I'm excited, brother. Yo, for sure I'm excited, brother. Not even my badge me not take off, brother. Not even my badge for school me not take off.
Blicky for me belly in my car, but me drive road. Gunshot there, so you know, say me can't waste me 45 rounds.
45 rounds.
Pint and squeeze on you for your high, bro. Much not laugh when him a spray. It a spray like a one pin a pyro. Big yeah, full of rifle. Keep them safe like my iCloud. We no test gun up in a sky cloud. Tough talk and a badness, no afraid and no boy mode. Them a muggle when we take money by gun, them take money by clothes. The war now done till your eye close. 12 midnight, so me kill a them dog. Kill boy all in a them yard. Link fella one rifle where him a send cross. Half gun broom from Bin Laden park. Pussy they soft. Wait can a night time in a bed pan pillar them talk. The place at the scene of them still a make war. You know when.
Yeah, the man say, pussy them soft. A night time in a bed with girl pan pillow them talk. No. So the man them will love sit down and chat to them girl and chat them bridge with them girl and certain things. So them pillow talk business, brother. Stop it. Your dog are your dog, your woman are your woman. You see me? Stay loyal to both. You see me? Play up me out.
Baby, my star. Look at me belly, now me car on the drive road. Gunshot near, so you know, say me can't waste me 45 rounds. Pint and squeeze on you for your high, bro. Much dollar when him a spray. It a spray like a one in a pyro. Big yard full of rifle. Keep them safe like my eye cloud. Loud sound when anything I done up. The chip a work and the pin a gun up. She has grip it to the left, you know what him a run up. Him put it in a your gut.
Bumbo clot. Spinner come again. How I do know? Play about the part I song there. I hear this.
Pint and squeeze on you for your high, bro. Much dollar when him a spray. It a spray like a one in a pyro. Big yard full of rifle. Keep them safe like my eye cloud. Loud sound when anything I done up. The chip a work and the pin a gun up. She has grip it to the left, you know what.
The chip a work and the pin a bun up. Brother, let's hear the man. Brother, it's when you perfect your craft. Trust me. To me, I see craft in another element there. Because craft a wicked artist, you know. I'm telling you that right now, you know. Craft a wicked artist, you know. Right now, I don't see no young youth that do it like craft. When it comes to lyrics, when it comes to flow and style. Craft in a league by himself when it comes to the young generation of dancehall. Aidonia, come again.
Him a run up, him put it in a your gut, and watch your dinner come up. Me not think him a get up.
Yo, a long time Aidonia use that phrase there, you know, or similar phrases, you know. You see me? Man say shot in a gut, make your dinner come up. Brother, dog.
Bad fly, hit a flick up. YG walk your rifle at the valley so. Boy can't hide over them head, me fly drone. Two man skill a running on your nice songs.
When the man badness bad, you still have to look for people to shoot them with no hand, you know. The man they fly drone, you know. I saw the man they badness bad, you know. I'm not promoting any violence. It's just music. It's just music. So please, do not come after me. Mommy, relax. It's just music. I'm not promoting violence, okay? Thank you. It's just music. But the man the badness different. Yeah, man, the man the badness different, man. You hear the man say? Can't find a boy over there who just fly drone.
I'm a good day but I light so. Yeah, I score.
Alright. No. For the people them, man like Nico Dog, KD, man like Chase, man like Tep. I see them 5 individuals there will know me and know me to my heart. I don't have anything to say about this. But man them are gonna say, yo, throw your artist in your youth. No, wipe off a small dash over there so in a garbage bin. I'm telling you something. I know that he's not a consistent artist when it comes to music. Because, you know, his son did in a difficult time. Condolences to Aidonia and his son. Condolences to Kim. Governor, all like 4th gentleman them. Because, you know, Khalif was like a brother, a son, a nephew. You see me? To majority of them people. But anyway, I want to tell you something. Aidonia is the type of artist where when him drop a song, you can guarantee say it will come out on top. No. Aidonia is not the type of artist for them in the media. He's not the type of artist for them here, there, and everywhere. He's not like a Vibes Cartel. And I don't say that in a bad way. When I say that, I don't say it in a bad way to hurt anybody's feelings or make them feel like, say, yo, I am coming at anyone. Everybody has different personality. You have 7 brothers, 7 different minds. So what one might do, the next one won't. You understand? Or if one see one do and one follow, the next one probably not going to follow because he know right from wrong. So that's the meaning of that whole terminology or that phrase or that metaphor, whatever you want to call it. See me? No. I give the song a 10 out of 10. And the reason why I give the song a 10 out of 10, bro, the song is just mellow. The song have flow. It has good lyrics. Now, the only thing we don't like is when the artist them not really put out a lot of visuals. And Aidonia is not really known to put out a lot of visuals. A lot of music videos. And that's what we want. You see me? We want that. We want to see the music video we want to see creativity. You understand? We want to see how you can create a song, not just not the studio, but you can bring it out in a video and make people captivate what you are trying to do. You see me? So personally, if you feel like when you just do a music and just put it out with a little picture, it's not encapsulating, brother. It's not there. You understand? I feel like we're not marginalize us as viewers for actually get a understanding on the creativity. That's just how I feel. However, no, the song, me give it a 10 out of 10 because the song has a very good flow, the punchline, the melody, how the song was written and put together, the rhythm matching with the song and all that. So I give the song a 10 out of 10. That is just me personally. But anyway, when you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below and make me know what you feel say. If you feel like the song is garbage, you can comment it. We can be very respectful in the comment section. Nobody don't have to curse. Nobody don't have to tell each other figure out their mother, their father, their auntie, their brother, their sister. And just be respectful, see me? So like, comment, subscribe, and we are going to see you in the next video.